I'm back with another video, and today I want to show you guys an easy way you can make your own colored acrylic. For our acrylic today, we'll be using these pigment powders I got off of Amazon, and they will be in the description box below. So the box of pigment powders come with a lot of different colors, as you can see, but today we'll only be using 6 different colors. If you're not too much into glitter, I wouldn't really recommend buying these pigment powders because they all have a sort of shimmery finish to them. Also in this video, I'll be using a cuticle pusher, 6 1-ounce jars, my crystal clear NSI acrylic, and my white Mia secret powder. So I'm first going to pour my crystal clear acrylic into the 1-ounce jar. I like to use clear as a base instead of white just to prevent them from marbling. For my first acrylic, I'll be using this pink pigment, and I'm going to use my cuticle pusher to scoop the pigment out and dump it into the jar. So as I'm doing this, I'm not following any type of formula, but as I add more pigment powder, you guys will see that it'll get darker and more visible. Pigment powder I added only gave me a clear pink kind of look, and that's not really what I'm going for, so I'm going to go back and add more pigment to the powder. Now that it is darker, I like it, and you guys are going to see the difference. And of course, if you want the color to be lighter, you'll add small portions of white acrylic. Next, I'll be using this cherry pigment, and I'm going to follow the same steps I used before. So as I said earlier in this video, if you want the color to be lighter, you want to add white acrylic, and I'm going to use my cuticle pusher once again to add white acrylic to the powder. And I'm going to continue to repeat these steps until the blue becomes a color that I like. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos in the future, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Sunday.